Okay, we're up. So they're working now. This is Brian, by the way, Azzy's Design Works. Just a little troubleshooting. I'd like to use this video a little later. So the first point we found whenever this came in, there was a little bit of malfunction. The gauges were getting hung up. So what we found were these needles are keyed, so they can only go onto the top hat that they sit in the motor mount with one way. This one was backwards, and so was this one. That actually made this one pop off in shipping, and this one was sticking out like this. So it was actually kind of sticking up a little bit, and it causes it to bend and push against the clip that sits behind that holds the gauge face in. So these holes in the back here and here that hold the face on, they have two size clips, one for large, one for small. Someone had taken the large clip and kind of smushed and shoved it into behind the coolant gauge, and the small one for that, and just kind of let it float in there. So it was getting hung up. Now all we've done here is just 14 volt power off of bench supply, and I have this clamp here to hold the button down. And what it allows us to do, run through test mode, so I can hold that button down. I can cycle the power on our bench supply. Everything's going to flicker. All our check engine lights are going to come on, and all the gauges are going to kind of go through their thing. And you can see they go down in increments. And that's the factory test pattern. And we can see all the pretty lights that show up behind. And they go back to zero. So all's good. Thanks for watching. This is Azzy's Design Works, teamadw.com.